So we're at the Lululemon Sunset Festival. I guess I was the only one to get this special lager. What did you get, Agnes?
Pale ale. Pale ale. I got the pale ale as well.
Yeah.
How come you got our special one?
I got a wimpy lager, and I also got a bunch of mud in my shoes. But that's okay, because that's worth it.
All worth it for Diplo.
Yeah, we're gonna see Diplo in a second.
And we are here live at Sunset Festival. Thank you for tuning in.
This video is gonna be more sicker than the actual event, right?